Hi guys, hopefully you guys can hear me over my washer. Sorry I look like crap. We just got back from walking to our local pharmacy. So I'm red. I'm gonna be a little burnt. I don't know, but I want to show you guys a, we're going to have, I don't know if you guys see my Instagram, but this is where I put our weekly dinners. We're going to have chicken parm with fried potatoes and corn. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what chicken patties I'm going to be using. I am going to be filming all of these weeks of nothing but dinners for you, except for Wednesday. I won't show that because we're going out unless I vlog it. I'm using the Great Value fully cooked breaded chicken breast patties with rib meat. It's just chicken raised with no added hormones, keep frozen, from Walmart. Let's get on to it and I will show you what I am all using. Sorry about this bad lighting. That might help. But for the breaded chicken breast patties, you're going to need those. I'm going to use a whole bag because of leftovers, and I'm going to use Prego Italian sauce, fresh mushroom. Get a big thing of this from Walmart for under like $5. It is the 4 pounds, 3 ounces, big thing of it. I won't use. Oh, I see. Come on. Oh, it's not gonna work, is it? No. I'll have to. Here. I'm gonna have to get new batteries. You want your picture? Or you're gonna keep it up there? Okay. And then instead of corn tonight, go get it. Then I'm going to use Great Value, the cut green beans picked and packed the same day. I am out of corn. I thought I bought some. And then, okay, don't get into that. Oh, the life of a toddler. Okay, sorry. Have a toddler, they say. With the Prego sauce, I'm going to also mix a little bit of the Polinaire premium white chopped garlic. It's just a little can of garlic. I keep it in the fridge after I open it. And then I just have some potatoes that I'll rinse off, chop up a little bit, and I'm either going to fry them or put them in the oven, but probably fry them instead. So let's go.